Succulent plants don't scream when something is wrong. They don't wilt overnight or collapse dramatically. They fail quietly. By the time you notice something looks off, the damage has often already started, underground, inside the stem, or deep in the leaves. If your succulent has ever melted, stretched, or died without warning, one of these mistakes may have been happening all along. No drainage holes. Succulent plants are not killed by water. They're killed by trapped water. When a pot has no drainage holes, moisture has nowhere to escape. Roots sit in darkness, soaked and suffocating, slowly breaking down while the plant above still looks healthy. When the leaves finally turn yellow or collapse, the rot has already taken over. Misting instead of watering. Succulent plants are often misted because it feels safe. But misting creates a dangerous illusion of care. Water clings to thick leaves, settles into tight spaces, and lingers far longer than it should. This quiet moisture invites rot and disease, problems that begin invisibly and spread fast. Not watering enough. Succulent plants can survive drought, but survival is not the same as health. Too little water over time weakens the plant from within. Leaves begin to wrinkle, shrink, or fall away as stored moisture is slowly drained. The plant doesn't die suddenly. It fades, conserving energy until it can't anymore. Not enough sunlight. Succulent plants depend on light to hold their shape and strength. Without it, they begin to stretch unnaturally. Stems elongate, leaves space out, and the plant loses its form in a silent search for light. This distorted growth is often mistaken for normal, but it's a warning sign already too late. Pairing them with the wrong plants. Succulent plants suffer most when they're forced to share space with plants that demand constant moisture. Soil kept wet for others becomes a slow poison for succulents. What looks like a peaceful arrangement above ground is a struggle for survival below it. Ignoring air circulation. Succulent plants are built for dry air and open space. When airflow is blocked, moisture lingers where it shouldn't. Crowded pots and still air create conditions where rot and disease thrive silently. By the time symptoms appear, the environment has already done its damage. Forgetting about sunburn. Succulent plants love sunlight, but sudden exposure can scar them permanently. Dark or bleached patches form where tissues are burned beyond repair. The plant survives, but it never fully heals from the shock. Letting pests take over. Succulent plants don't always show when they're under attack. Pests hide in shadows, leaf joints, and soil. They drain strength slowly, weakening the plant day by day. By the time you notice, the infestation is already well established. Succulent plants don't die by accident. They decline because small mistakes go unnoticed for too long. If this revealed something you didn't expect, like the video, subscribe, and stay ahead of the mistakes before your plants pay the price.